Thank you very much for being in our stand for Pοσειδωνία. Pοσειδωνία 2024, you have noticed, is crowded. I think is the biggest ever. And the atmosphere is great. People are enjoying a lot. There are a lot of smiles. You know, markets are very good, are helping. But there are also many question marks, many solutions that our clients are looking for. And of course, there are many providers that are trying to offer this kind of solutions in the future. RINA, you know very much, that is investing a lot internationally, also in Greece. So Pοσειδωνία is the best opportunity for us to showcase new products, new services, especially this area here of our stand. We have arranged in these days to deliver some certificates to important of our clients, you know, mainly regarding decarbonization, cybersecurity, innovation.
Decarbonization. Tell us a few words about what RINA is doing for that direction.
You know, we have always to provide solutions that are doable, because we are not academic. The approach that we do in decarbonization is not academic. It's an approach that we need to give to our clients to show a path in which we take them to clear solutions, as much secure as possible, in order not to have stranded assets after many years, because, you know, regulations are becoming stricter and stricter. So, for example, this morning here in our stand, we gave an approval in principle for an Aframax tanker to TMS tankers with DARI design. This is a very doable solution, but innovative, regarding LNG as fuel mainly. These are kind of ideas and solutions that I think may be offered today to clients and give replies, let's say, to all these question marks that we have.
Many said, Mr. Zolotas, for one solution is the carbon capture and carbon capture storage. What RINA thinks about this solution?
We study all these kind of solutions, and we believe a lot, because a part of the new type of fuels, alternative fuels, existing fuel like diesel or oil or LNG, need ways to be decarbonized. Of course, it is to the politicians to make the appropriate regulations, because for the time being everything is a little bit of confusion. You know, Europe is not yet permitting the CO2 transport in a free way in and out of Europe, which is creating a lot of obstacles, I would say, in the real application of CO2 carriers, carriage of CO2 and storage of CO2. So I think the regulatory framework is still to be clear, and I think especially politicians sometimes need to hear voices by people who are in the market, technical people, not only business people, technical people, in order to make the regulations in a way that are applicable in the end, and will make also carbon capture a solution, a possible, let's say, solution for the way the next decade to come. You know, RINA office is becoming bigger and bigger. Here in our stand of Pοσειδωνία, we count ourselves and we are over 70 people. Greek people, university degree, so we are very happy. We give work to a lot of Greek valid scientists. It's not a matter of being Greek or any other nationality. RINA is a multinational company, but nevertheless we are very proud. We are in Greek shipping to give work and a proper working environment for people who have studied here and who have done their experience here. I think we will expand more, so you will listen more nice things about us. One of them, you know already, is that we give the floor to younger people through our academy. We have the global marine training of RINA done here in Greece, and then we have the Surveyors Academy, which is cooperating with NTUA and other universities, not only in Greece, in order to create the new generation, exactly, of surveyors and people of our business, because in the end of the day, it's a people business, and shipping is only people, technical people, real people making operations, and I think they make the difference. So we are becoming bigger in that sense.
RINA here is extremely present. The atmosphere is vibrant. our clients, present and potential clients, extremely happy and very optimistic about the future, as we are. We are investing very much in R&D. We are proposing a number of new concept, new design for both new ships, new buildings, and existing ships. So we have a solution for both making ships, existing ships, more efficient, and making new buildings more capable of navigating to the very choppy waters of decarbonization.
And a few words about the RINA presence office here in Greece.
We have been investing very much here in Greece. Presently we are more than 70 people here, and of course to follow our clients' needs. Of course we do not have only surveyors, but also plan approval engineers that are capable of approving drawings and offering advisory services to our ship owners. Another key point is that any decision can be taken here locally, so our people, our management here is fully enforced to follow and to sustain our local clients.
Tell us about the next step of the RINA as an organization.
Yes, of course, we have been extremely happy to have this new equity investment in RINA. Actually, they took about 30% of the shares, and of course, we will use those money to invest in growth, both as new projects, new offices, and of course, new colleagues. As you know, RINA is working in two big sectors. One is the certification, and the other one is consulting. Different industries, of course, not only marine, but also transportation, infrastructure, and energy. Yes, we have just delivered our new strategic plan till 2030, and we plan to become a 2 billion company by 2030. So big ambition, big challenges, but full of energy.
Yeah, of course digitalization is playing a key role in the whole process, also through decarbonization. So in RINA we started developing our tools about 10 years ago. We started with process of digitalization, and now we have a complete portfolio where we can offer our Certica Performance, which is a performance monitoring system to enhance the operations of a vessel and ensure that they are in compliance and efficient. We're moving through the digitalization of the logbooks on board, so to reduce paper and make operations more efficient and reduce also the workload for the people on board, which is very important. We have our new reporting system to comply with regulations such as MRV, CII, EU ETS, and so on. And of course, our Certica 6, Certica 5, which is our ERP, complete ERP solution that, of course, covers the full process in the shipping organization.
Do you think that generally the shipping industry or the shipping companies are familiar with new technologies and the digitalization in this new era?
I think we're finally going that direction. We see more and more interest in digital, and we see companies appreciating more and more what digital can offer. Of course, when we started 10 years ago, we were a bit of pioneers in the field, but finally we see that all the companies can take advantage of digital in their internal processes.
Thank you very much.